Horrified woman goes viral kicking down kitchen wall after hearing strange noises inside. Cat owners will know all about their pets finding homes in the strangest places across the house. Whether it be amongst all the coats and jackets or even in the bathtub, cats really do have their own ideas. One particular cat, however, went viral earlier this month after getting stuck in an unfortunate situation. Businesswoman Jayda Dixon-Williams was left shocked to return home and find maintenance workers had plastered up her kitchen wall. Not only that, but her adorable kitten was left trapped inside.
Come here. Oh, he's sticking his hand out. Hold on, wait. Let me make it bigger.
But the 25-year-old could hear her cat scratching from behind the new drywall and feared he may have been stuck in the pipes. I was so scared, I really felt like my child was trapped behind the wall. I was nervous because I wasn't sure if he was in a pipe or drain, she said.
I don't know. Alright, come on. This has to be big enough. Come on.
I called the emergency maintenance and building management, but their phone line was down. So I called the police and they told me to try and bust through the wall, which I did. I was trying to be cautious when I was doing it because there are a bunch of pipes. I didn't want to kick through the wall and burst a pipe as my cat could end up drowning.
Hold on, wait. Watch out. Oh, can you come out? Come on. Oh my god. Wait.
They told me to get a knife as I have no hammer. I don't own one. The police told me to just try to chip away at the wall, so I did. When I made the first little hole in the wall and he stuck his paw out, I was like, oh my god, you're actually back here. I was trying to calm down, but it was crazy.
Come on. I'm sure he's stuck in the wall. Oh, I got him. Okay.